So, Namaskar, Namaste, very good evening. This is your Papan Bhai, CMA H. Padmanabhan, Council Member, Institute of Cost Accountants of India, once again reaching you. Yes, my dearest student friends, today we have received the notification from the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, issued by Honorable Secretary of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, right? And of course, shared with you all in various social medias by CMA Balwinder Singh sir, Honorable President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, say in Twitter or WhatsApp or Telegram, and retweeted or shared by you with many of our student friends. Immediately we started receiving a phone calls or personal messages, and yes, the clarification is very simple. The extension of date is from May 20th to May 31st 2020. This is for whom? This is for those student friends who have already applied for one group through online, say intermediate or final, group 1 or group 2, group 3 or group 4. But because the examination is extended up to July, you wanted to apply for one more group. Yes, the procedure is very simple. Those who have already applied for one group, they want to apply for another group, you can do it by way of taking a demand draft, downloading the application form duly filled in. It should be scanned and sent to whom? To the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, exam.helpdesk@icmai.in and exam.dd2. DD means Deputy Director. exam.dd2@icmai.in. Of course, if you wish, you can mark a copy to me to my mail ID as already shared with you. That is pappaniob@gmail.com. pappaniob@gmail.com. Yes, sir. We are in containment area. We cannot go out. We cannot go to the bank. We cannot take the demand draft. What we will do? For those students who are really in containment area, on case-to-case basis, e-payment will be accepted by the institute. This is what our Honorable Secretary of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India requested me to clarify. Hope I am very clear with what I have conveyed. Now, there are some students who are having anxiety and concern over the verification of result declaration. Already as conveyed by CMA Balwinder Singh sir, Honorable President of the Institute, and myself through various forums, say Facebook Live or YouTube channel, we are very clear. Once the lockdown is over and the climatic condition also, you know what is happening in Calcutta, West Bengal, right? So once all the officials join back duty, after collecting all the recounting papers from the paper valuers, after compiling, they will declare the result through the examination committee. So you may have to wait for that. Yes, sir. Suppose I clear in that recounting. I have already paid fees for the July examination. Need not worry at all. That particular amount will be reimbursed and it will reach your bank account. So don't worry about all those things now. It will be declared before the examination. Our request is you please be safe, stay blessed, and of course the online classes, the webinars that are being conducted by the headquarters, regions, chapters, CMA support centers, recognized oral coaching center, like you are enjoying other activities, kindly enjoy studying, kindly enjoy watching those online courses also. It is for your benefit. Why I am telling enjoy? Because if you enjoy your study, you will never forget what you are studying, and you will be able to perform very well in the examination and come out with flying colors. That is success, right? So please understand, maybe I am CMA, but I am telling you, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, we all are with you, whether it is elected representatives or the officials or the anybody connected with the institute. They are all thinking about the students only. We know the situation. Now itself, don't worry about this lockdown and containment area and other things. If everything is all right, then only examination will be conducted in July. So we are also very much with you. We have the concern. Appropriate decision will be taken, like CMA Balwinder Singh sir assured you. Right? So break the chain, not the relationship. Let us have good relationship, build up the same day by day and become more stronger, right? So we are very much with you. Hope I am very clear with my clarification with regard to today's notification, including that taking demand draft, and if it is so, the condition is so absolutely the condition is worse, then e-payment also will be accepted on case-to-case basis, and the re-verification result also I told you, right? So again, if needed, if required, your Papan Bhai will reach you once again. This is my Ashwanam. So for the time being, bye-bye. Wish you all the best, right? Once again, I am telling you, take care of yourself and everyone at home.